Hello everyone, this is your Deodos of Pets.
Yo, Ugwood, thank you for 4 months. Double audio. I think my shit's just turned up too loud. Here we go. How's that?
He just can't get comfy in that chair.
Better? Ew!
Kom blåne, kom jente, kom Gud. Så kommer jula til Blåfjell.
Good boy, fetch a beer, fetch it. All the way, bring
Oh shit, so smart!
This dog really needed a
So
massage.
smart. So very smart. Yo, what the? Yo, Nye, thanks for 18 months. Mythic, thank you for the prime. Mikey gifted. Fatal Job, thanks for the sub, thank you. Love the headphones. Oh, wait, I forgot to mention my cat ears. I'm not just wearing them for no reason. I thought I would wear them because it matches my rust skin drop. I didn't just wake up and decide to wear cat ears for no reason today. I forgot I was wearing them, so I didn't say anything about it. Cause yeah. I was wearing them for like 2 hours before I went live, so I forgot that they were there. But yeah. I mean, it could be worse. My rust drop is she's got cat ears and a maid outfit. I could have worn the maid outfit too. I do have one. Yo, General Thane, thanks for the prime. It's the one that I used for the Ukraine charity event years ago. I still have it. Oh, great. Look who's here.
Give it to me.
Hi, Cheddar.
It's supposed to be filling up this water tank.
I didn't even notice. Isn't that worse? If people didn't notice.
Where does this cat even go?
Cheddar, I'm streaming. I'm streaming, Cheddar. Don't stand right in front of my monitor, Cheddar. Ah! Oh gosh, you okay? He's fine, he just knocked some stuff over. Yo, Mark, thanks for the sub. And Rocking, thank you for the prime. And horse. Dude, at the horse ranch we went to yesterday, they had ponies that were like 3 feet tall. Y'all would have loved
There
it.
he is, going flat out. Look at that mode. Full bush chook mode.
There he
Have you
goes.
been into those Red Bull gum nuts again?
Yo,
I know it
Sukra,
says it'll give
thank
you
you
wings
for the
bigger than
resub.
emu. You're just gonna have to accept that you're never gonna have any.
This pigeon can do backflips.
Oh shit. Red Bull athlete pigeon. Oh my god! So cool. Wow. Yo, Mortal, thank you for 3 months. What happened to the cat that came with the house? Oh, Hugh. We found out that Hugh had cancer, like, before we even moved in, so he passed away, like, 6 months ago. I'm sorry to tell you the news.
This is like a ball pit for ferrets.
He just stopped drinking water one day and Bonnie took him to the vet and they're like, yeah, bro has cancer. And then he died within the next 2 days. Yo, Soda Pop, thanks for the resubs. Thank you, thank you. When am I going to Alveus? I'm not sure. I still need to do the cosplay stream with my, I still have not done that. That's still on my to-do list. Little worm.
I think this dog has been on this ride before.
What is this? Oh, you don't want to get wet. The doggy.
Sit. Paw.
Holy shit, why does that dog have
Down.
hair like Will Neff?
Blink.
Doesn't it?
Good boy.
What
This
the-
cat
it has
decided to climb
layers
the
and
stairs
shit.
on hard mode.
Oh yeah, or like XQC. Yeah, true, XQC is more blonde. XQC dog. Cute. Meow.
It's a guinea pig train.
They're so cute. What the fuck? How? You did this. What is that? I feel like that clip ended kind of early.
Mr. Fergus. Excuse me.
Who's this zero energy dude
Excuse
saying
me,
dumb stuff
sir.
for some clips? Are you talking about me or
What are
Mr.
you doing?
Daly? Cause don't disrespect Mr. Daly like that.
What are you doing?
Mr.
This little
Daly's
guy
the
did not
goat.
want to be shut inside.
You. Oh. Well. I don't know. I'm just some guy.
Up, up, up. Come on. Good boy.
What do you think they are dreaming about?
Oh my god, a fucking demon. Oh my god! Dude, Motzi sleeps like that too! When she sleeps, her eyes roll back and like the weird white film pop. Oh my god, no. 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 What the heck, no.
This doggy needed a midnight drink.
Just have a little drink. How nice. Yeah, Pilates dog. You've been at daycare so long, you think you're one of the kids. Yo, Hyrie, thanks for 3 months. Is that dog real?
This dog is teaching
Why
the
does
cat
it
how
look
to play.
like that? What the fuck? Why did he look like that? An AI dog. Cute. A football cat.
This cat has no predator instinct.
Useless! Wait, can I ask y'all, so when I went live today, I forgot that I was wearing cat ears, right?
This cat
But
is having a day at the beach.
part of why I forgot was because I didn't see anyone in chat mention it. So does that just mean that you guys didn't notice or you just weren't shocked at all? Yo, Quabop, thanks for the sub, welcome. It's expected, but I never wear stuff like this. What the heck? What the heck? Oh. We support you, Emiru. Okay, that makes me feel worse. That means that you-
This dog takes his games
It's like,
very seriously.
You're a freak, but we accept you anyway, we guess. I'm an audio-only viewer. Does that exist? Yo, Nomi, thanks for the prime.
This
An
sheep really wants to
audio-only
play.
viewer. Third I guess, yeah. I guess I do that with most streams. Hello, listeners. Yo, Aqua Burgers, thank you for the prime.
You see that? That's 2.
Kev.
I'm gonna have to start doing things that only the video viewers will be able to notice. Like just acting like everything's fine, but then some fucking diabolical shit is happening on screen.
Albert. Albert. Pass hodet.
I'm also audio only and I mute the stream. Why? Cute. Why would you do that? Whee! Oh! He's helping. I'm video only and I close my eyes. Why? Just say you hate my stream. What the heck? I'm a normal viewer. I didn't notice and was not surprised by the ears. Okay, well. At least you guys are honest, I suppose. Phillips.
He's going nuts. So let's see what he does when we go over.
Ew. Holy shit, why is he so excited? He must be starving and only know how to eat from humans or something. Poor fish. Or he's just really happy to see her, I don't know. One or the other. One or the other. It's the carp from Sekiro, no way. He wants to get caught. Oh my god.
Metter, your tail hurts. Jimmy,
What do you want?
Yo, Turtle Boy, thanks for 18 months. Their favorite activity in the morning is to watch ice melt. How nice. Yo, Infames, thanks for the resub.
That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
Cute. Okay. I don't think I have a ton of other videos. Unless y'all have ones you want me to watch. We can maybe watch One Joe.